smothered cabbage. I've already prepped some of my vegetables and cut them up. This is bacon grease I have in the skillet. I'm going to add some onion. This is celery. I do put celery in my cabbage. Trust me, if you try it, you'll thank me later. I've got some bell pepper. I have some jalapeno. I checked the heat level and it was a little spicy, so I took the seeds out. I do like the flavor. I took half the seeds out for the heat level. We're going to add some garlic. We're going to stir this up and get it going. This jar is about empty. That's about a teaspoon. I'm probably going to add a little bit of chicken base to go with that. I have my heat on a medium high. I just want to wake up the flavors here with this, and then we're going to add the cabbage in. I've already cut and washed my cabbage. We're not going to put any water in this skillet. I'm going to add this in. As it cooks down, it will shrink. So when they say smothered cabbage, it's not boiled cabbage. So I'm going to let this do what it do for a minute, and we'll be back. Okay, so this is cooking down. It's starting to shrink. I'm going to add just a little bit of my chicken base because I didn't have that much ham base. So I'm going to put just a little bit of chicken in there, not a lot. And I'll sprinkle my Creole seasoning just a little bit, and we will adjust that salt level when it's done if it needs anything else. But I'm going to cover it over. We're going to let this simmer 10-15 minutes and see how it needs no water in there. This is what you call smothered cabbage. And all the vegetables, once they cook, that is all your seasoning and flavor. And I'll let you see it when it's done. If you like cabbage, here you go. It's easy and very delicious. Try it and thank me later.